Hey guys, in this video I will explain the step-by-step process to generate signed APK or signed app bundle from Android Studio. This is the most important video on how to export apps from Android Studio and how to upload it on Play Store. Basically how to export apps in a way that Play Store accepts it. So there is a lot of confusion among people around this Android Studio export settings, so I'm going to explain the export settings in this video, so make sure you watch this video until the end. There's a lot of difference between signed APK and signed app bundle. The signed APK is used to deploy your app to any Android device, and the app bundle is used to upload your app to Play Store. The reason why we call it signed is it contains all the developer details that you need to put in Android Studio, and it is protected by the KEYSTORE password. While uploading the app to Play Store, you also need to upload the key file to verify that the app belongs to you. In this way, the Play Store verifies that the app belongs to you, and then they accepts the app to be uploaded on their platform. So first of all, go to Android Studio. Let us assume that you have already developed the app. Click on Build, scroll down and click on Generate Signed APK. You'll get to see two options, first the app bundle and next the signed APK. Click on Generate Signed APK. When you click on Generate, you need to fill in certain details like your name, organization, country code, etc. if you are generating it for the first time. I have already entered all these details. So now you'll get to see somewhat like this, the password, the KEYSTORE file path and all this. So in the password field, make sure you remember the password. You need to enter the password twice, the original password and the re-enter password to confirm it. Then click on release. If you are releasing it for the first time, if it is a release app, click on release, or if you are pushing an update to the app, click on debug. This is a new app, so I will click on release and then click on finish. The signed APK will be generated and you can click on locate to access it. So this is how you can generate a signed APK in Android Studio. So now let us have a look on how to generate a signed app bundle on Android Studio. So now to create an app bundle, follow the same steps. The only additional step is you need to enable generate KEYSTORE for a file for uploading in Play Store. First of all, you follow the above steps. Click on build, click on generate APK, generate app bundle, and you need to click on as you can see all the password, you need to enter it. The only additional step is to enable KEYSTORE file for uploading in Play Store and then click on generate. After the app bundle is created, you can access it. The app bundle has the file extension .aab and the key file has the extension .pepk. You need both the files. You need to enter the app bundle file in the Play Store. Then Play Store will ask for the KEYSTORE file. You also need to enter the KEYSTORE file. Then Play Store will accept the app and you can upload the app to Play Store in the platform and make the app acceptable. So this is all about today's video. Please do like and share this video and subscribe my channel for regular updates related to technology, cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one.